on its tail. So.
Oh, okay.
Thing, but if you want to jump in now, obviously we'll jump in and all that sort of stuff.
Yep.
And what we'll do is we'll just wait for this one 7-2 to depart, and it just gives us a bit of room. Sweet, so she's fairly cosy in here. Like there's, it's a bit more generous than say a Tomahawk.
Yeah, that's right. I did my flight training in the Tomahawk.
Oh, nice. Whereabouts?
At Palmerston, Military Aero Club.
Oh, very cool.
Hello, Puss.
Sweet. So a couple of cool, quite unique things with the Yetta is that it's got flaperons on it. So if you ever look out at the aileron there, you'll see the flaps move as well. So
Someone wants to come with you.
yeah, it's too friendly for her own good, this one. She earns to keep looking after all the money.
So where are you, Greg?
Oh, well, I'm in an air tour about to do some aerobatics.
Oh, cool.
I'm quite excited.
And why are you doing that today?
Because it's my birthday.
Oh, and how come you're doing it?
All the kids chipped in and gave me an hour's flight training, aerobatic flight training.
Awesome.
Which I've never done. So, should be good though.
And so we're at Market Airfield in Blenheim.
Yeah.
So do you know this airfield at all?
Yes, little bits.
Why do you know this airfield?
Flown a lot into this airfield because Dad had a plane based here.
Right, that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
And you've got a friend that wants to go with you.
Yes. Yeah.
So here they are taxiing to runway 07. Greg's got his private pilot's licence, so he's done a lot of flying in and out of Omaka. His dad used to have his plane based here, but never in an acrobatic plane. So apparently he's going to do some loop-de-loops and do some rolls and things. Hope you're not going to get airsick, Greg. Train. Oh, cool. Awesome, thank you. That was good.
Happy for yourself, hopefully. Enjoy, everybody. Enjoy, everyone.
Thank you very much.